Hi campers. Hey, I haven't been filming much. I've been doing a little bit of stuff on here, but it's mostly just a bunch of repeats of what I was doing, like painting door frames and doing interior varnishing and stuff that you've already seen. So yeah, and we had some really foul weather here a couple days back. I got a little clip of it. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But anyway, what I'm up to now is I'm going to go ahead and take the bus outside and do a little bit of cleanup on the roof. I'll show you what I've done on the outside so far. Hey campers, look at this mess. We didn't even see it coming. It's raining so hard that it's flooding in on my floor. I think I'm going to go ahead and bring that bus inside. Can't work on it when it's like that. Wow. Okay, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, this is the front door, and I went ahead and painted up underneath all there. I painted down this side all the way to the bottom, and this area here, it was the same way. It had little rusty screws. The top of the screws are rusting, and it had put orange all over this paint. So I taped this up. Oh, here's a piece of tape I forgot to take off. But anyway, I went ahead and painted this panel here too. So I had to tape off the doors, and it was a lot of papering and stuff like that. But what I'm up to right now, and I'll get that off here in a minute, is also right up here, you can see the new seam sealer I put in right up there, right above the top of the door, because I was getting a little bit of a drip there. I taped that off and seam sealed it, and I think that's going to be just great. And that band that's right up there on the roof, it had a little crack in it, and I went ahead and filled that crack. And so that's all good. But now I got to go up on that roof there and get all this, I'll show you. See the white on my fingertips? A little bit of oxidation up there. So I'm going to go ahead and get some alkali cleaner, and I'm going to take all that oxidation off and get that waxed. That's what I'm going to do next. Then I'm going to move down onto the side body here, and I'm going to polish out all the sides here and get that waxed up too. It's going to be quite the project, but I'll get it. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and move this thing outside. Well, she fired right up. I've been having a real problem here with my reverse camera. The darn thing, the piece that sticks to the window doesn't want to stay up there. It just keeps falling off. Yeah, it'll stick there for about 5 minutes and it'll fall off. I don't know what's going on with it. It's real sticky now. It's like the heat from the sun has damaged the little suction cup. Well, what I'm doing is I'm going over here to the wash area where I got the hose, and I'm going to get ready to wash this thing down. I'll do it right there in the alley. Yeah. This thing, I'm hoping it takes off some of that oxidation off of the roof. I'm going to use an alkali cleaner that I use for tires and rims and heavy duty jobs, cleaning up heavy duty messes. Ooh, I forgot to put my rubbers back into the doors. See the little space at the top? Yeah, I got to put those back in before I do much else. That's funny, the door won't work unless I'm in park. One of those safety features, I guess. Okay, I'm going to get with it. I'll bring you guys along when I get busy on this washing the roof. Okay. I'm going to go up there and give the roof a wash and see how it looks. Sorry for all the shaking, guys. Got to do this one-handed. Look at all the white and the dirt coming off of this. That's nasty. Yeah, there's a lot of old dead paint up here coming off. I cleaned underneath those before I put them on, those solar panels. Well, that came pretty clean. I'll get this rinsed off now. And not too exciting stuff, but what the heck, I haven't been filming anything, so figured I'd show you a little day in the life here. Big old 8-foot ladder there. Well, that's what I'm up against. I'm doing the whole van. I got half of this roof on the front half up here already, and now I just done the back. I've washed the sides already, and they came out really nice. But it keeps streaking the windows with this white stuff from the roof. So I got to rinse it off one more time, I think. Then we'll get to the polishing. I just got to get it really clean before I polish. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Wow, this really came clean. This whole front came really clean. Pretty impressed with that. That worked rather well. All that oxidation came off, that powdery oxidation. We're down to fiberglass now, which needs to be polished and waxed. See how white the water is here, where it's been running off? Yeah, that's all paint oxidation. You see all that white in here. The white right there. Yep. Yeah, it came out pretty darn good. Okay. I'll talk to you guys when I get back in there to start doing the polishing then. Alright, see you guys later. Well guys, fall has come early. I mean winter's come early. It's been raining like crazy. Look at that big old mud puddle behind me. Yeah, it's just started back in again. Here it is at the end of September, and it rains about a month early. Yeah, that's too bad. Yeah, I was out here looking for the little kitty. She's running around here someplace. It's getting my phone rained on. Yeah, the little cat ended up being a female, so I can't call it Buddy anymore. It's kind of aloof and it runs around, does whatever it wants. Hasn't really bonded with me, but it's sure is a sweet cat. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and keep her. And she's been to the vet and all checked out. Everything's good. She's going in on October 10th for her spading, so we don't want to have a bunch of little calico kittens running around here. But we ended up not calling her Buddy, we called her Bunny instead, so she got used to the name, so you know that's close. So all right, I just want to do a final checkup with you here before I got back to work, and I'm going to end this video right here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.